Hi everyone, it's Karen here, wishing you a Merry Christmas filled with warmth and love. Today I'm excited to show you how to thread an elastic bracelet using 5 cords. You might wonder why use 5 instead of 4 or 6. The answer is simple. Some beadholes are too tight for 6 cords, but too loose for just 4, so making 5 cords is the perfect choice. And of course, the number of cords you use will depend on the size of the beadhole. When threading large beads, we will use as many cords as needed to stabilize the bracelet to prevent it from breaking easily. I'll be using a 0.8 mm flat elastic cord, which I've trusted for over 12 years. And with 5 cords, you don't need any special beading needles like this, open-end needle or the needle with hook. Cut a length of about 56 inches, 16 beads of 14 mm brown tie-dye, so the brown color cord can match with it. Now separate the cord into 5 strands like this. Basically, it's just the same step like doing 3 cords. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now take one end, either the right hand side or the left hand side, and then slip it under the 2 cords like this. And then we tied a very tight knot. This creates the needle to thread the beads. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the needle. Let's have a better view here. Here's the needle on my right hand, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cords, right? And remember to leave enough length on the other end for tying off the bracelets later. Now let's thread the tie-dye beads onto the needle we created. Once you're done threading, cut off the needle end so you will have your 5 cords again. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cords. Now take any 2 of these cords and then feed them through this loop at the other end. Any 2 cords. Now pull all the beads down to these loops. Here comes the knotting part. Now we have 3 cords on each side. Just tie 2 knots, like how you do with 4 cords. 1 knot and 2 knots. Make sure they are tight enough. Before cutting off any excess cord, make sure to leave a little length so you don't cut it too short, like this. And give that knot a firm tug to secure in the bead's hole, either the left one or the right one. And that's it. A beautiful bracelet is done. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more fun jewelry making tutorials. In the next video, we will explore an interesting topic, like which healing stones can be combined and which one should not be. So stay tuned. Again, Merry Christmas to you all. See you next time. Bye bye.